In a quaint town, a man bought a ceiling fan, expecting a cool breeze. Instead, it stood there, clapping and exclaiming, "Oh, I love how smooth it is." Perplexed, he consulted a local historian who revealed the fan was crafted from enchanted wood, known to applaud craftsmanship. As days passed, the fan's applause grew louder, drawing curious neighbours. One night, the man discovered a hidden switch. Flipping it, the fan spun, cooling the room and silencing its applause. It was a reminder. Sometimes we must uncover hidden truths to find peace. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.